My burning bushes are over 20 years old with no problems until last summer when they began losing leaves. I was told to drench them in malathion, which I did twice. It didn't seem to help. This year I was told to drench with Dawn dishwashing detergent. That didn't seem to help. My wife thinks they have just gotten old, but I'm hoping I could save them. What can I do? Thank you, and this is Kim from Byhalia, Mississippi. So, and thank you for that picture, Ms. Kim. So what do you think about that? So here's my thing, they're losing the leaves, right? But we're drenching with malathion. So are we saying that there's an insect problem?
Right. That would not be the treatment if it's a disease problem.
Right.
Because you're using a insecticide.
Yeah.
And if there's a root problem, that's going to be a fungus or something that way.
Right.
You're going to need a fungicide for
Right.
not an insecticide.
Right.
But 20 years is pretty old.
20 years
But we've had a severe winter last year too.
We did.
And it could be cold damage from that standpoint too, as well as a potential root problem being 20 years old that way. But you know, you can always cut it back, and viburnums have a good resilience to come back if they've been cut back. So that would be a potential that what they could do.
Yeah, I would definitely cut out the dead. You know,
Oh,
just
yeah.
looking at the pictures, I would cut that out.
Yeah.
Probably come back in the spring with some fertilizer to see if it can rejuvenate it a little bit. But yeah, if it's losing leaves, I'm thinking the same thing you are, right? It's probably something in the root system, because you kind of look at where it is, right? It's kind of like in that little, you know, encasement there. So could it be, you know, with an injury? You know, could it be you watered it a little bit too much? But I would definitely cut out the dead. But yeah, using malathion and then the Dawn dishwashing liquid, you would do that, you know, if you had problems with like insects, aphids, you know, scales or something like that. But the thing about, you know, the burning bush, I mean, they can have problems with scales.
Yeah.
But you just have to make sure the scales are there. And then of course you can use these means. But yeah, if it's losing leaves, I would look for scales. It may be root rot, twig blight, you know, something else that just popped into my mind that burning bushes are susceptible to, but that's because of overwatering.
Right.
Right. So those are the things I would look at, Kim, but I would definitely get out there and cut them back.
Yes.
That's the first thing I would do. So cut them back, and then in the spring, let's see, we can give them a little fertilizer and see if that'll help it out. All right? Yeah, but no more drenching with malathion and Dawn dishwashing liquid, all right? Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.